You're looking at the last of the exotic auto boutique built vehicles designed and installed by myself over the course of 680 hours, approximately just under 3 months. The build consists of a Lawrence body kit, front bumper. Behind that, you can see the license plate, LED light bulbs, I'll show you shortly. Front camera. Integrated custom-made LED rings, called Iron Man style. HRE rims, entire package. Staggered setup, of course. Custom fender work. And side skirts. Full exhaust system. And tinted accent lighting, front and back. Rear camera, of course. And of course, the front part of the system is the audio. It is hand fabricated. Center of it all is a 9-inch Alpine radio, touchscreen, DVD, all the goodies. Molded trim. Place of the stock unit. Careful details were paid to all seams on all molds, including the control on top of the dashboard here with the radio, which is molded in as well. The speaker pods. This case consisting of a hybrid audio, 1-inch and 3-inch tweeted mid combination here. Moving to the posts. And of course, a 9-inch mid base in the door. A molded pod within, held in place with stock screws, stock mounts. No wiring in this car was used for sound system. No wires cut. In the back we have our enclosure with 2 JL Audio 10TW3 shallow mount subwoofers. My artwork behind glass, Mercedes logo. Better view of the enclosure. Again, all the seams are extra tight, just the way I like them. Vent for the subs to play through to the interior cabin.
Call them the firstborn, though they were not remotely human. They were
Incorporated the belts that hold parcels in place behind seats.
They felt awe and wonder.
Most guys used to just get rid of these. I want to incorporate it in the design.
As soon as they possess the power, they begin to seek for fellowship among the stars.
Updated all interior lighting to white LED lighting. Also incorporated the Bluetooth microphone for the Bluetooth and the radio in the stock location. To the back where the magic happens. We have the heart of the system. 2 JL Audio 900/5 amplifiers. 1 smaller 4-channel for my rear fills. Audio control DQ-DX unit. and 2 other audio control pieces doing some crossover duties. There are no passive crossovers in the setup, it's all active. It's running a 4-channel setup, tweeter, mid bass, sub. Custom panel concealing my amp rack, which is an aluminum amp rack. I kept prying hands off the EQ by putting a molding, flush mounting, let's say, plexiglass panel with my logo laser cut within it. As you can see here at an angle, you get an idea. And through the magic of television, top is down. You got a better view of the enclosure. You can't imagine the hours I went to building this thing. Making sure all seams are perfect, everything fit flush and tight. So, normal circumstances, of course, everything's changed. What's that? And again, lighting dims when you close the doors and so forth, so I just simulate that here. Now they're at the lowest setting. This is recording attention at night while driving. And of course, I installed a master switch, you can cut them off in case it is a problem. And back up. Back to the front of the car, one of the coolest features I particularly enjoy is the license plate installation. A customer like myself doesn't like have the plate in front of the car with screw holes in the bumper, so I incorporated behind the grille on the body kit. But I also want to give him some more powerful driving lights in the car, so I installed a 24-inch LED light bar. Manufacturer happens to make lights for of all things, space shuttles for NASA and so forth, so these actually work exquisitely. So when the plate is up, particularly at night, it's backlit with LEDs in white. And of course, when you need that extra riding in the road, hit the switch, light flips down, allowing the light to shine through. And bright they are. And of course, when not in use, flip the switch, everything back in its place. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed my product. This will be at shows this coming season. So stay tuned. There'll be more video on this car. Thank you.